At least 2 persons died in West Bengal and its coastal areas suffered extensive damage to infrastructure and property as Cyclone Remal tore through West Bengal and neighboring Bangladesh with wind speeds reaching 135 km per hour. According to report, a man died of his injuries when the wall collapsed due to the relentless downpour on Sunday evening at the Birbir Bagan area of Intalali in central Kolkata, a state disaster management official said. An elderly woman in the Mousuni Island near Namkhana, adjacent to the Sundarbans Delta, also succumbed to injuries on Monday morning following a tree collapsed on her hut that resulted in the roof caving in. Following the incident, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee expressed deep concern over the impact of Cyclone Remal in Sundarbans and other coastal areas of the state as she took stock of the situation. She also inquired about the extent of damage, including uprooted electric poles and trees, and the progress of restoration efforts. The India Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued a red alert in 2 districts, Sefa Jilala and Gumati of Tripura, in view of the possible impact of Cyclone Remal. An orange alert has also been sounded in the remaining 6 districts of the northeastern state, which is likely to witness heavy rain and gusty winds as a result of the cyclone.